नमस्कार पार्टनर्स, दिस इज सुधीर सिंह खत्री फ्रॉम A110। आज मैं आप लोगों को K2K रन जो हमारे पार्टनर्स संजय कुमार फ्रॉम A128 एंड राम रतन फ्रॉम A129, ये जो कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर की जो रन कर रहे हैं, इट्स ए रिकॉर्ड फॉर द गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड अटेम्प्ट है ये। उसके बारे में आपको ब्रीफ करना चाहता हूँ। देर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज, देर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कमिंग अप। who are these, what are they doing? So I'll just try to clear some of those queries. It is a run from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. These two of our junior partners, they are from A128 and 129. They are the experienced ultra runners and they are attempting a Guinness Book of World Records. What is the record? To be the fastest Indians in pair to finish run from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Now it has become Kanyakumari to Kashmir because there was heavy snowfall and the Kisan Andolan is also going on. It has already commenced the run on 12 Jan 2021 on the occasion of the National Youth Day, and we aim to culminate it, finish it on the 8th of March 2021, that is the International Women's Day. This run, it is an attempt to inspire the youth of India, and also since it is culminating on International Women's Day, it aims to spread the awareness about women empowerment. The route, it will cover 91 major cities, the metro cities like Kochi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Jaipur, Delhi, and overall they will be traveling, they will be running across 11 states of India. The runners Sanjay A128, he is an EAP, and Ram, he is an EAAR from A129. The title sponsors for this is MG and the other supporters Together We Can NGO. Then they have the hydration partners Fast and Up, T10 Sun Chasers, the Pathcraft Solutions, Aptec. These are few of the sponsors. Regarding the sponsorship, I will also brief in detail. Sanjay Kumar, he has got many achievements. Notable among them is he was the part of the high five at Hell Race at Manali, and there was a unique Bombay to Goa chase which are organized by the Bombay Running Club. So he was awarded the best ultra marathon in 2018 by the Mumbai Road Runners. Then he has got lot of achievements in 2020, 2019, 2018, 2018 Law Ultra 111 kilometers, India's toughest and one of the world's most cruelest ultra marathon. He was a finisher there. Along with that, he has many achievements in 2017 as well. The second runner is Ram Ratan. While Sanjay is from Mahendragarh, Haryana, Ram Ratan is from Nagaur, Rajasthan. He started running with Law Ultra Marathon in the August 2017, and it was one of the most grueling marathon of India. And the route is very extremely challenging from Leh to Ladakh. So that way he has participated in that, and from there he has picked up running. He has also many achievements to his name in 2019, 2018, 2017. Now coming to our route of K2K, हमारा रूट क्या है जो हम 11 स्टेट्स, 91 सिटीज और थाउजेंड्स ऑफ विलेजेस को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं इंडिया में। हमारा रूट है 5 लेग्स में। पहला लेग कन्याकुमारी टू बैंगलोर। कन्याकुमारी टू बैंगलोर इट्स गोइंग टू कंप्लीट टुडे। नाउ द टाइम इज ऑलमोस्ट 1:45 AM। सुबह के 2 बजने वाले हैं, एंड जस्ट नाउ आई गॉट एन अपडेट that they have completed 783 kilometers over a period of 12 days, and by the time they reach Bangalore they will have covered 33 kilometers. So they are just 50 kilometers away from Bangalore. They are covered from Kanyakumari to Trivandrum, Haripad, Kochi, Thrissur, Coimbatore, Perundurai, Mechuri, Krishnagiri, and ultimately Bangalore they are reaching. From Bangalore they will be going to Mumbai. The route will be Tumkur, Hiriyur, Davangere, Haveri, Dharwad, Belgaum, Kagal, Kasegaon, Satara, Pune, Lonavala, Khandala, Thane, Mumbai. From that will be 995 kilometers. Mumbai to Ahmedabad 554 kilometers. Mumbai, Thane, Kasa, Valsad, Surat, Karjan, Anand and Ahmedabad. Then from Ahmedabad to Delhi 946 kilometers. Ahmedabad, Bhavpur, Rishabdev, Udaipur, Rajsamand, Daogarh, Jauza, Ajmer, Judu, Jaipur, Paota, Bawal, Gurugram, New Delhi. So they will be doing 946 kilometers in this leg, and the final leg will be Delhi to Srinagar 1103 kilometers. One of the most grueling sessions. So it will be covering Delhi, Ghaziabad, Budhana, Karnal, Shahabad, Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Dhariwal, Kathua, Jammu, Udhampur, Batote, Banihal, Anantnag and ultimately Srinagar. So finally the lion's share जो हम totally cover करेंगे, if we add all this, it will be 4,431 kilometers. Then we are given the names, different leg, alpha, beta, that kind of legs. First leg, Kanyakumari to Bangalore, which we had discussed. This is the route. Now, partners are asking, how can we help these junior partners? हमारे पार्टनर्स को हम हेल्प कैसे कर सकते हैं? They have taken up an amazing challenge, very Herculean task I would say, running from one end, from the southern tip to the northern end of Indian geography. So we can help by providing them with financial support. They are running it, they are running on the annual leave, they have taken the annual leave and they are running it. They are not being sponsored or they are not being supported, you can say. They are running it on their personal expenses. So what we can do is we can support them financially, and the support, it did not be a very huge amount. It depends on the individual capacity of the partners, whosoever wishes as per their personal. Even if you sponsor, if you support with 100 rupees, so it is kind of, we are sponsoring one meal for them. We are providing a breakfast or one meal for one of the members. So financial support is there. Those who are on the route, they can provide the nutritional support. They can provide homemade food. We all know homemade food, it will be good for the digestion, and if the stomach is not upset, they will be able to achieve their aim. This is one of the most important thing, the homemade food. Nutrition support, we can give them some chocolates or protein bars or some dry fruits, whichever is good. They can have the dry fruits in the morning. Then apparel support, we can give them sandals, t-shirts with printed Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, Ram, Sanjay. Okay, we can do that. The Bangalore partners, they have recently bought a pair of shoes for them, because as we know, running 4,431 kilometers, they will need a few pair of shoes. So they have got the best running shoes for them. They got t-shirts for them. They got some more apparels. They got them medical tapes, some medical support, so gel, whatever they need. In conversation with the doctor, the physio, they have tried to procure some things for them. Then accommodation support. Suppose some partners or relatives who can provide them support. We are basically looking for a support which is close to their way, which is quite close to their way, जो उनके रास्ते के एकदम पास में होगा, हाईवे से जा रहे हैं. We are not looking for something which is 30-40 kilometers away from the route. So it is better that we look for that, and if possible we can book a room. They are a crew of 4 persons, so they will be requiring 2 rooms, 2 double bedrooms, so basically 4 beds for all of them. So we can provide them rooms very close to their running route, within 4, 5, 10 kilometers of that route. They do not have to deviate much, otherwise they will have to travel a lot, and that will waste their time, a lot of time. Then all those partners who can manage some media support, who can get it printed in the local newspapers, the local news channels, or they know somebody who can put it on the national level, so please provide that support so that their attempt is being featured somewhere in the media. And the best part, we can support them even if we are not doing anything else. We can support them morally. One of the biggest and most important support one can provide to somebody else is moral support. How we can do it? We can do it by encouraging them, boosting them up. We can circulate their achievement or their attempt on social media, WhatsApp status, WhatsApp messages, Telegram, Signal, Facebook, Instagram. They have an Instagram handle, so we can make people aware, so that everybody knows that such a record is being attempted by the partner. Food preferences. Till now what we have got the feedback, since they are running, so we should avoid chilies, spices, ना कोई चिली डालें ना मसाला डालें, because that may cause the stomach upset. किसी भी प्रकार की चिली, चिली पाउडर, ग्रीन चिली, रेड चिली, ड्राइड चिली, वो नो चिली, नो मसाला. हल्का फुल्का मसाला, कोई माइल्ड फ्लेवरिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, सॉल्ट, टर्मरिक पाउडर, जो कि बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है खाने को टेस्ट के लिए, वो सब. बाकी स्टीम्ड इडली, कोकोनट चटनी, साउथ में है तो आटा, रवा बैटर, मिक्स्ड, जैगरी, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, उसके साथ ओवरनाइट सोक्ड हमारी ओपन पॉट में बॉयल्ड दाल हो, पालक के साथ, बॉयल्ड वेजिटेबल्स के साथ, स्प्राउटेड जो हमारे ग्रीन ग्राम्स होते हैं, ग्राउंडनट्स होती हैं, और मिक्स वेज सलाद दे सकते हैं हम, लेमन जूस, सॉल्ट, रिहाइड्रेशन के लिए कोकोनट वाटर दे सकते हैं. They are vegetarians basically, but they can have boiled eggs or the bullseye which we say. Fruits दे सकते हैं हम, oranges, grapes, banana, pineapple, कोई भी seasonal fruits which is good for them, they can have that. रोटी चपाती हल्के से घी के साथ स्मीयर की हुई, जो हम थोड़ा सा उनपे हल्का सा घी वगैरह लगा के दे सकते हैं. आलू की सब्जी बहुत ही कम ऑयल में बना के दे दें. पीने के पानी के लिए हम घर से अपना ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बॉइल्ड करके दे सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नहीं है तो वी कैन गेट देम बॉटल्ड वाटर, वो कर सकते हैं. उनके डूज एंड डोंट्स, एक रिक्वेस्ट है हमारी कि उनको कभी भी कॉल ना करें. कॉल करना है आप पहले, डायरेक्ट कॉल ना करें, आप पहले डॉक्टर रितेश से कॉल कर लें. ही इज देयर फिजियो. व्हाट हैपेंस इज दे आर रनिंग, उनके पीछे पीछे इनकी गाड़ी चल रही है, उसमें डॉक्टर साहब रहते हैं और एक क्रू है उनका. तो पहले आप डॉक्टर साहब को कॉल कर लें. इफ यू वांट टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम, इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक टू देम, देन you otherwise you leave a voice message आप डॉक्टर रितेश को कॉल कर ले, डॉक्टर रितेश ही विल इन्फॉर्म कि सर राइट नाउ दे आर रनिंग, सो जब भी वो हो पाएगा टाइम आपकी बात करवा देंगे। यू कैन लीव ए वॉइस मैसेज टू देम, बिकॉज हमें पता नहीं है कि कब वो रनिंग कर रहे हैं, कब वो रेस्ट कर रहे हैं। दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, धूप है, बारिश है, तो दे आर नॉट रनिंग, दे टेक रेस्ट, देन दे रन एट नाइट। लाइक 1 बजे अभी उनका मैसेज आया है कि 783 किलोमीटर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया है रात के 1 बजे। सो वी अज्यूम नॉर्मली स्टार्टिंग में क्या था कि दे वर रनिंग फॉर 3 आवर्स इन द मॉर्निंग, 3 आवर्स इन द evening. That was their plan. And daytime they would interact whosoever is possible for some time while resting, while taking the physio. अब एक सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट होना जरूरी है। सपोज बैंगलोर चैप्टर, माय क्लासमेट अनूप चंद्रन इज देयर, we have made him a single point of contact. What happens is, if we have a single point of contact at one place, he is able to coordinate better, अच्छे से कोऑर्डिनेट कर पाते हैं। ओवरऑल आई हैव टेकन अप द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। कोई भी पार्टनर है, सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं, बताना चाहते हैं कि हम वहाँ पे सपोर्ट दे देंगे, तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम मेंटेनिंग ए रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द प्लेस एंड द पार्टनर्स। जो भी पार्टनर्स हैं दे कैन प्लीज पिंग मी अप, मुझे पिंग कर सकते हैं, उनको पिंग कर सकते हैं, किसी को भी आप मैसेज कन्वे कर सकते हैं। अब हमने क्या कर रखा है, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना रखे हैं। जो पार्टनर्स ऑन रूट सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं तो उनके लिए हमने एक डेडिकेटेड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया है। और डेली अपडेट्स चाहिए आपको पार्टनर्स, उनके लिए भी एक सेपरेट ग्रुप है, 2 सेपरेट ग्रुप है डेली अपडेट्स के लिए। तो आपको जैसा कहें उस ग्रुप्स में हम आपको ऐड कर सकते हैं। ओवरऑल कोऑर्डिनेशन हम देख रहे हैं। और बाकी आपको किसी लोकेशन, पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में, लाइक पुणे इज बीइंग लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय पार्टनर सावले, पार्टनर दत्ता डोंगरे, बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स हैं। नेमिंग 1 और 2 पार्टनर्स विल नॉट बी गुड इनफ। आप देखिए जहां से उन्होंने कन्याकुमारी से शुरू किया था, तो वेरी फर्स्ट डे दे स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम कोचीन एंड दे डिड नॉट हैव ए प्लेस टू स्टे। 109 ERA partner Vijesh, he gave me a call, he told me he arranged for something, he told his classmate partner Mani is there, partner Arun Mani, then partner has arranged for them. उसके आगे हरिपाड़ से पार्टनर अरुण कृष्णन, he was one of the first partners, और फिर वहां से चेन लगती गई है। कोयम्बटूर में पार्टनर गौतम was there, पार्टनर मैथ्यूज was there, पालक्कड़ में पालक्कड़ चैप्टर पार्टनर्स were there. My classmate Ajit Rajan, he was coordinating, and partners from Palakkad chapter, they helped a lot. So now before Bangalore also, for 3 nights their halt, everything has been taken care of by partner Maharaja from A104, partner Rajesh from 102, he brought them very good food. So lot of partners have been involved, lot of partners are being involved, and they are going all out supporting, and this support is so overwhelming. इतना शानदार सपोर्ट रहा है कि इन पार्टनर्स का, K2K रनर्स का मोरल बहुत बूस्ट है। एंड आई फील अगर हम अपना सपोर्ट ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू रखते हैं इनको, तो वो अपना टारगेट जो 56 डेज में सेट किया है, दे विल डेफिनेटली अचीव इट। कुछ और पॉइंट्स जो आते रहते हैं, फीडबैक, जो पार्टनर्स उनको होस्ट कर रहे हैं प्लीज एक फीडबैक दें। लाइक 103 पार्टनर सुरेश, ही होस्टेड देम और ही वाज विद देम, देन ही सेड दैट वी नीड सम आइस क्यूब्स, छोटे छोटे आइस क्यूब्स, फुट मसाज करना है तो एक बकड़ा वाटर में थोड़ा आइस क्यूब्स डाल देते हैं। ब्रेक, रिसर्च पीरियड, जब भी वो रेस्ट लेते हैं, एक्टिविटी 1 डे की और एक्टिविटी 2 उसी दिन की 2 एक्टिविटी में करते हैं वो लोग, तो बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द रन they need that ice cubes, so we can provide them. It is in south, so we can provide them tender coconut water. And like they are running, so they had blisters also, छाले पड़ गए थे उनके पैरों में, 4-5 दिन छाले के साथ दौड़े, स्पीड को कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुई उसके चलते। So what we can do is we can provide them simple good cotton socks, pure cotton, बिकॉज एक दिन में एटलीस्ट उनको 3 से 4 रिप्लेसमेंट करने पड़ते हैं। फीड्स को बचाना है तो एंटी ब्लिस्टर सॉक्स आती हैं, दे कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड, वी कैन प्रोवाइड देम समथिंग विच इज यूजफुल फॉर देम। एंड even if we are keeping some media interaction, until unless is a big media interaction, let's keep the media interaction when they are running or it does not hamper their rest period. उनके साथ हम लोग थोड़ा टाई अप करके we can decide when we have to do the media interaction. ये सारे छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स हैं, और भी कुछ पॉइंट्स आएंगे तो अपडेट करते रहेंगे हम। विल कीप अपडेटिंग वॉट एवर फीडबैक वी गेट ऑन ए डेली बेसिस। Sometimes because this is happening and we are not aware, so let's see how it goes. Then I have given one of my accounts for them. I had told them to make an account, but unfortunately they did not have time. They said, partner, please go ahead with your account. So these are my account details. They have the Bhim ID, then Google Pay is associated, Phone Pay, Paytm. If you wish, you may kindly donate to them. The ledger is being maintained. There is no transactions from my side in that account. So whatever is being credited, that is being handed over to them with an with a detailed account statement. आप लोग जितना भी उसमें डाल रहे हैं उसका पूरे का एक अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट निकाल के it is being posted to them. See, these are 100 entries for credit and this is one entry for debit. This is going to the your account. So that way every money, every pice is being accounted for. There is nothing which will not be accounted. For more details on this run, we can visit their site. They have a site www.k2krun.com. उस पे आप जाके इनकी डेट्स को देख सकते हैं, उनकी टाइमलाइन को देख सकते हैं। अभी ये देखिए व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड, दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द पिक्स। एमजी ने स्पॉन्सर किया, एमजी हेक्टर का प्रेस क्लब में इनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी कोची में। पार्टनर तस्वीर सलीम फ्रॉम A109, he played a very instrumental role and partner is still supporting, giving all that media coverage. It all started with partner's blessing. He was there to guide them. When Ram happened to take a flight from Jaipur, I was fortunate to meet him and I could felicitate him in a very at a very short notice. Then everybody who came to know all the partners, they have come all out for their support. They've come all out for their support. They flagged off from Kanyakumari. These are flag off pics. Then the weather was very hostile. Weather was very hostile. काफी hostile weather रहा उनका, बारिश हुई काफी। बीच बीच में काफी पार्टनर्स आए, 111 अनु किरण, भरत, पार्टनर अरुण, everybody, partner CSP, partner Shine, Balu Shankar, all these partners, partner Salim, everybody came. Now you see how they go. When you are doing such an arduous task, इतना Herculean task आपने ले रखा है, the kind of physio they get, they're lucky. Then they have been meeting and greeting all those partners who are coming on the way. Partner CSP from 89, partner ran with them. He initially wanted to run 10 kilometers, but the Josh, he almost accompanied for 21 kilometers. So that way, my humble request, keep running, keep inspiring. Long day partnership. Shano Varna, thanks to Indian Navy, and Jai Hind. Thank you, partners.